Hello again, Gina, your host from the Destination Baby and Kids YouTube channel. Go ahead, like, follow, subscribe, but what we're going to be doing right now is putting together and unboxing an UPPAbaby CRUZ V3. So, the only tools you will need for this is the scissors or something to get into the box. So when you open your box, you're going to have this black envelope. You're going to want to hang on to that. That has instructions and other important stuff in it. So don't lose that. And then we'll go ahead and unbox the actual stroller. So, what am I pulling out? Well, it looks like we've got the stroller frame and the stroller seat on the stroller. So we'll go ahead, pop these little pieces off, sit the stroller up. There are gray handles on the back of the stroller, so you can pinch that and that'll make your seat sit up. If you come down here toward the bottom, there's gray on the lower portion. You click that forward. That's your footrest. There's two little gray pieces on the underside of the seat here. You hit each one of those. Now your front bar piece will snap forward. In the box, we also have a box that shows two smaller tires. And then it's empty. So if we undo these, we have our front wheels, which will go onto the stroller very easily. We'll tip it back, hit each one in each hole. There's no buttons to push, they just go on. And then we have a box with our back tires. So now, if I pull this guy out, and we pull off the little foam pieces, each one of these should come through relatively easily. And these are going to go on the back. They are not side specific. So you find the axle, shove it in. You'll do the same on the other side. Shove it in. And then now the only thing that's left is to put on the front bar. We have another box that has our front bar, our mosquito net, and our rain shield. So I'm going to hang on to that box with the rain shield and the mosquito net. I'll probably put my black piece with all the envelope stuff in there. Get that front bar on. And now we have an UPPAbaby CRUZ V3 fully assembled. And once we cut all the material off, we'll be ready to stroll with our baby. It's very nice looking though. Thanks for watching.